have suspension on the front. Came with the spacers that we needed. It did not have risers for the handlebars or handlebars. We bought those separate. And overall, it's good. It's good. What was the one problem that we were having with the turn radius though, where we don't get a full turn?
Oh, the bolts were too long.
Oh, well, that's our fault. We put riser bolts on that hit. We cut them back, but still. Okay, that's it. It's great. Oh yeah, and it was easy. He did this all by himself. He didn't have to cut. He didn't have to weld. The other one just came off at the bolt right